Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to handle generation limits in Stitch. Okay, so first up, I would like for you to know that Google Stitch right here is an experimental AI tool with specific free usage limits. You can go ahead and check your limits when you go ahead and go to the top right and click on your profile and just click on Stitch settings. Okay, here we have daily credits and daily redesign credits. So as you can see here, I'm currently using the free plan. Okay. And the free plan right here provides a monthly allowance. So for example, 350 for standard screens and 200 pro screens or generations per month. Limits reset after a certain period. Okay, so waiting is the primary way to handle a temporary lock. So as you can see here, when you reach 150 right here for daily usage, well, Stitch right here will stop generating for you. Okay, also you might be facing issues like it doesn't show you any picture or designs. So you may have to go ahead and check it right here or check the daily credits. Okay. Also, Google right here is actively working on its code management systems and has forms for users to request limit increases or provide feedback on their needs. Okay. If you want that, you can just go ahead and click on the three dots right here at the top right. Okay. You can go ahead over to Discord and chat with them or just send a feedback right away. Okay. While there's no guaranteed paid plan yet, okay, your input may be valuable to their development team. So another tip, just make sure that you optimize your prompts, okay? Crafting effective and detailed prompts can help you get the desired results in fewer generations, making the most of your available limit. All right, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.